Hey y'all see I'm at the bus station. I'm about to catch the bus and all of that and all that, you know. Y'all see the birds flying and all that? Y'all see them flying? Yeah. Now check this shit out. Check this shit out. Took my braids out. Coming to the bus station for the birds to shit in my head. The woman said, that's a blessing. I said, well, it feel like shit for me. Oh my, I got shit. Now I definitely gotta go wash my hair. The birds and shit in my head. I'm so tickled, y'all. I'm gonna got me a little groceries, you know, trying to go eat something, trying to go drink something. Birds shitting in my head on this good Thursday. But yeah. Too funny. I was too funny. I love y'all. Have a good day. Work calls later. Work through the calls later. But right now I'm chilling, trying to go eat something, trying to go drink something, shit in my head. Man, that shit, that don't make no sense. Namaste.